Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia for those who are new here, and if you are watching this video for the first time, welcome. Also consider subscribing, it is free. And on today's video we are diving into a topic that has been on many Jamaicans' mind lately, about the growing presence of Arabs moving to Jamaica, and it's stirring up some important questions and concerns within Jamaicans communities. And with this new wave of migration, some Jamaicans are asking, could this change the Jamaica as we know it? Is it a threat to our culture, or could it be a chance to grow and evolve together? So, in this video, we are going to look at both sides of the story, examining the potential risk and rewards of a growing Arab population in Jamaica. We will explore the fears and worries some Jamaicans are feeling, but also the possibilities that could come with this cultural exchange. And remember, this conversation is not about about creating division, but about understanding what's the best for Jamaicans' future. So, let's get into it. Grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's have an honest look at what this change could mean to Jamaicans. And as always, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share your thoughts in the comments below. So, Jamaica, a land of rich culture, unity, and resilience. It's known for its warmth, reggae music, and pride in its heritage. The island has always been a melting point of different cultures and influences. And recently, there has been a noticeable increase in Arab communities settling in Jamaica. But is this a threat to Jamaicans' all potential pathway to new opportunities and cultural growth? Let's break it down. So, over the past few years, Jamaica has been an uptick in people's moving to the islands from Arab nations. They come for business, tourism, and even long-term settlement. Many Arabs open some stores, invest in local businesses, and sometimes bring with them the different practices and customs. And some Jamaicans worry that this influx might affect the island's culture and economy. The issues of competition for resources, businesses, and even fears of cultural erosions come up often in conversations. After all, Jamaicans' identity is a source of pride. And however, others argue that the Arabs' presence brings fresh perspectives, new economic investments, and cultural diversity. Jamaica has a history of welcoming different cultures, from Chinese to Indians and even African influences. Could this new wave just be another chapter in Jamaican's history? And what I can say is that it's important to find a balance where Jamaica remains true to its roots while embracing positive contribution from newcomers. And preserving Jamaican culture and empowering locals should always come first, with the respectful integrations from any community looking to call Jamaica home. And so, many are asking, are Arabs a threat to Jamaica by moving there? But for me, it's not necessarily. In fact, with open communication, shared values, and mutual respect, this could be an opportunity for growth. Jamaica has always been about resilience and unity. And as long as respect is at the core, diversity can only strengthen the Jamaican spirit. So let me know your thoughts. Is this new wave of immigration a concern or a benefit for Jamaicans' future? Comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. So another thing is that there are often misunderstandings and myths surrounding any new community that settles in a country. So let's address a few common questions and concerns that Jamaicans may have about the growing Arab population. So it's a common misconception that Arabs solely invest in businesses that only benefit their own community. But in reality, many of these businesses provide services to all Jamaicans, creating job opportunities, offering new products, and even collaborating with Jamaican owned enterprises. And this integration supports the local economy, especially in tourism and retail. And another thing is that another worry is that Arab residents don't value Jamaicans' traditions or culture. However, men are learning and embracing Jamaicans' way of life, from music and food to festivals. Mutual respect can go a long way in building bridges. And in many cases, we are already seeing cultural exchange that celebrate Jamaican heritage. Also, while the competition for resources can be a real concern, it's essential to recognize that much of the Arab community is bringing external investments that benefit the economy at large. New jobs, partnerships, and even international exposure to Jamaican culture can also strengthen both the community and the economy. And looking to the future, it's important that the Jamaican government, local leaders, and communities work together to ensure that immigration remains balanced and that the Jamaican identity stays at the forefront. By fostering an environment where the residents can integrate respectively and Jamaicans are supported in their cultural values, and the nation can thrive as a place of unity and diversity. So whether it's Arabs or any other nationality, the key question is how can Jamaican protect its heritage while growing in a diverse world? And the answer lies in an open dialogue, strong community bonds, and always keeping Jamaicans' best interest at heart. And so, let's keep this conversation going in the comments. How do you feel about the changes happening in Jamaica? What concerns do you have? And what positive changes have you seen? And if you are new to Jamaica, we want to hear from you too. What is your experience been like on this beautiful island? So make sure you comment down below. Also give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more informative or insightful videos from Claudia Works. See you in the next video. Work good.